Yes, okay. Met my goal. I'll take that. I will take that all day. I did what I wanted to do today. I got to the second cube, and that's a hard click, so I'm not even that mad. I'm already back here. Wow. If I die again, I will cry my pants. What the fuck, cry my pants, dude? I'm fucking spit as hell, dude. I'm gonna fucking beat it, and I'm gonna say that. Bro, that was the dumbest completion of all time. That was so dumb, dude. Why did I say that? Whatever, I guess I did it. Okay. Did it for the video. Okay, wait. Okay. Yeah. Yep, I don't have hacks on, so that's good. I have a lot of attempts on this, by the way.